Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Welcome to our quick guide on setting up a brokerage account for MetaTrader 4. MT4 is a widely popular platform used by traders globally, offering robust tools for analyzing markets and executing trades. To begin trading, you'll first need to open an account with a broker that supports MT4. This initial step is crucial, and we're here to help you navigate it easily and confidently. The first major decision is choosing the right MetaTrader 4 broker for your needs. It's really important to select a broker that is well-regulated and trustworthy, protecting your investments. Take some time to compare their trading fees, the range of assets they offer, and the quality of their customer support. A good broker will significantly enhance your trading experience. Once you have chosen your broker, head over to their official website to start the account application. You'll be asked to fill in some personal information, including your full name and contact details. Then, you'll need to upload copies of your identification, like a passport or driver's license. Sometimes, a proof of address, such as a recent utility bill, is also required to verify your residency. With your account successfully approved, it's time to fund it so you can begin trading. Most brokers provide a variety of convenient deposit methods, ranging from bank transfers and credit or debit cards to e-wallets. Make sure to check the broker's specific minimum deposit requirements. Also, be aware of any deposit or withdrawal fees before you transfer your funds, ensuring you're fully informed. Now for the exciting part, connecting your new account to MetaTrader 4. First, download the MT4 platform from your broker's website or the official MetaQuote site and install it on your device. Once installed, simply open the application and log in using the server, login ID, and password your broker provided. You're now fully set up to explore the financial markets and begin your trading journey with confidence.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.